There is another session or place. There's a wall showing all 12 apostles, their names, and how each of them sacrificed their lives for faith. It's humbling standing here surrounded by so much history and devotion. The glimpse of how 12 apostles died. And Bartholomew, skinned alive. St. Matthew, staked and speared to the ground. James the Greater, son of Zebedee, stabbed with sword. St. Matthias, stoned and beheaded. St. Simon, sawn in half. St. Jude, beaten with an axe. St. Simon Peter, crucified upside down. St. Andrew, crucified to an X-shaped cross. St. James the Lesser, thrown from the pinnacle of the temple. St. John, miraculously preserved from burning oil, died a natural death. St. Philip, hung on the cross. And finally, St. Thomas, pierced by a spear. Then I headed towards a refreshment area to take a short break, and I spotted an aeroplane. And this area is run by the sisters, I guess. We had a coffee over there and returned back to see the main area of the church. This is the front part of the church. It's serene facade welcoming everyone who comes. Now let's step inside and explore the history, the sacred artifacts, and the stories that have been preserved for centuries. As I walk inside, I can hear people speaking Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, visitors from all over, each with their own prayers, stories, and memories.